Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream very easy. First, ensure your heavy cream, bowl, and whisk are very cold. Pour 1 cup of heavy cream into the chilled bowl. Begin whisking on medium speed, gradually increasing to high. Continue until the cream thickens and forms soft peaks, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. This simple method yields delicious, fresh cream every time. To achieve stiffer peaks, continue whipping past the soft peak stage. The cream will become much firmer and hold its shape well, perfect for piping. If you prefer a sweeter cream, incorporate 1 to 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract once soft peaks form. Remember, stop whipping as soon as your desired consistency is reached to avoid turning it into butter. Get creative with your cream by adding various flavors. Try infusing it with 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a pinch of cinnamon, or even 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder for a chocolate version. For a citrusy twist, add 1/4 teaspoon of lemon or orange zest. Store your freshly made cream in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will stay delightful for up to 3 days, ready for your next dessert. If your cream isn't thickening, double-check that all your equipment and the cream itself are thoroughly chilled. Warm temperatures are the enemy of whipped cream. If you accidentally overwhip it and it starts to look grainy, you can often rescue it by gently stirring in 1 tablespoon or 2 of liquid heavy cream. This helps restore a smooth texture. Also, for some great deals and that car air freshener link, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.